Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. We are going to do water marble today. Oh, I said it right the first time. I started to paint my nails. There's actually some polish coming, or I thought was coming, but that's a whole story that I wanted to use. But I grabbed this. This is Glisten and Glow. It's from the 7 Days of Surprises. It was like an advent calendar last year. And this one is day 4, Take My Breath Away. It's so pretty. It's a shifty purple color. And I put one coat on my nails and thought I was gonna marble with this, but I don't know that this is gonna marble. I may have to force it. So I've got my trusty, dusty Chick Stick Long Ball from Faces Loaded Lacquer. Okay, so I'm gonna see if this will marble with this, because my Maniology June box is coming, and you know, I do my best not to see anything. I don't look at the email, excuse me, I don't look at the email hints, but everybody is like, as soon as they get that, they post it everywhere, and I can't always avoid it. So I know it's coming. It's like a sea theme. And I think it's kind of like a Halloween scary one, Halloween-ish. So I wanted to do, I haven't done this for so long, a wave in the marble, a swirly swirl, whatever you want to call it. Who was here last year with me when the big tractor went off into my ditch and tore up the entire ditch in front of our house? Today seems to be giant tractor with whatever they're called, discs on them day, because they are just going by every 5 seconds, and I keep thinking, don't you run off in my ditch, don't you do it. They didn't fix my ditch. I mean, they came back, supposedly they kind of dug it a little, but they actually made it look so much worse than it was to begin with. All right, if you need a complete tutorial on how to water marble, see, I told you I knew I wasn't going to say it right every time. I will put a card up here, and I have a whole playlist for beginners, how to pick it up and use it as like a decal, make a decal with it, dipping your fingers in, what kind of water to use, what kind of polish is best. Every kind of water marble video that I've done, it's in my playlist, and I really just don't want to go through all of it again right now. Oh, I don't. Stuff on my nails. Hold on. Get it together. Okay, I've got Adored Colors, Protect Me, Liquid Latex. And I don't know. I think I'm going to dip all my fingers. I think I'm going to do them all. I don't know yet. But I know I want to do 2. And I've never been very good at stamping over a marble. I just don't do it very well. And I'm not sure, a lot of times, the only time I stamp over a marble is like if the marble sucks, and that kind of covers it up. But I'm not good at it. I just don't do a very good job. I don't know if I don't pick the right images or whatever. But this one, I thought maybe I would just do, like, paint 2 of my nails with maybe the colors that come with it, or stamp. I don't know. But that box is going to be here tomorrow, and I posted that really early, the video really early last month, and they wouldn't let me share it in the group, and I didn't notice for a few days, and then it's like, I don't think I ever posted in the group. But be ready, that's going to be another giveaway. This is not a giveaway video, but the one I do with the box will be. And I'll pick the winner of that one and the other giveaway I have going on right now at the same time here in like another 10 days or so after I post that video. And let's see if this spreads. Oh, it does! Yay! Now the problem with glitters, when you're using anything with the glitters or a shimmer like this, sometimes it's the second one that won't spread, or it looks kind of chopped up when you go to make a design. This one's spreading great, which is really unusual for a glitter or a shimmer. Shimmers are better, but hollows are the same. I can't really tell you what, I never know until I do it. All right, I think I'm gonna stop there. I do want the edges touching the edge of the cup. This is a medicine cup. I'm sure it's a NyQuil. Okay. You want to wipe your, whatever you're using, Watermarble tool, or I got a hat pin, giant hat pin that I like to use because I like the control. You definitely want that touching on the edges, because if it's not, it'll float around, and I don't want this particular floating. Like sometimes it's okay, but this I definitely want anchored. Okay. And then I'm not going to all the way to the edge. Yeah, that's gonna kind of break up. And I'm gonna do a little twirl here at the end. So we have a little wave in there. See how it broke up a little bit, that shimmer does. That's okay. I'm just gonna go with it. And then I want that right there. I'm gonna clean off the edges. Got that on my skin, I'm sure. And you don't want to wait to clean it off. Awesome. So right away, I'm going to grab an orange wood stick and go around the cuticle. I am very glad I didn't use a peel off base coat. I was going to, and I just started painting my nails and then forgot. I've been trying to use a peel off base coat as much as possible so that I don't have to mess with acetone. I don't want acetone on my skin. Ooh, don't do that and let it come back and smack your nail, but like I just did there. There we go. And then immediately I'm going to clean that up. So with a little acetone, and make sure you clean your brush off after every swipe so that you're not spreading that in your cuticle. Now I'm going to try to make a short and a reel out of this, but will I be able to? I don't know. Right. And the reason you want to take that off immediately while it's still kind of damp is because if you wait till it's all dry and you do them all, it's going to dry and that polish is going to be stiff and it's going to be hard to get the liquid latex off. Plus, when you do your cleanup, it's much better when the polish is wet or semi-wet because it's so much easier to clean up. But you absolutely can make decals instead and just use it a decal whenever you're ready. I think I'm going to go ahead and put another coat of this Glisten and Glow on these nails and a water marble on this one, and I think I'm going to marble my thumb. All right, I'm going to do one more on camera. I don't know. I think I'm going to do one more on camera. 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 I'm going to do one more Adored Colors has such affordable colors, and the liquid latex is so affordable for a full size. Absolutely recommend going to Judy's site, checking her out. I think there's a link always down below for Judinka and her Adored Colors. I think there's, I don't know if I've got one for Glisten Glow. That is my favorite top coat too, quick dry. Now, so many different companies make great quick dry top coats, but Glisten Glow is just the one I like the best because of my chemistry. I got some weird chemistry. So you need to try, you just need to try, bite the bullet and try different top coats, because not everyone is gonna like the same one. And that's terrible. Okay, there we go. Okay. I don't know how that'll turn out. We'll see. Yikes. Awesome. All right, I'm going to show you another type of water marble I never show. I think I did it once years ago and then just never showed you again. So same thing, room temperature water. I don't care what it is. I don't care if it's bottled or tapped, whatever. Spread that one drop. And I got some alcohol in a little spritzer. And just give it a little spritz. And dip your finger in it. That's it. Now I don't want to hear, oh, I can't do that. I'm scared. It's so cool. And super easy. All right, there's going to be my base for whenever the Maniology box comes. Get rid of that hair. But what do you think of that one? I think it turned out cute. It's like opposite too. So this one ended up with the more of the light color, and this one ended up more like a negative with the dark. And it's super cute. And hopefully we're going to do something cool with the box. We'll see. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me and supporting my channel. Stay tuned for a little fun video here at the end. Bye. She saw the chickens when we pulled up in the yard. So let's just see if she takes off immediately around there to get the chickens. Okay, go ahead, Pip. I don't know what scared her there. Are the chickens gone? Chickens saw us pull up and oh, there we go. Penny here. Oh, you told that chicken. Yeah, you told those chickens. Yes.
She believed that one. Hey.